challenge of a previous system that it was just impeding on our growth and our efficiency and our speed of responsiveness to quotes and to customers. Made Smarter helped us, again, identify what our issues and what our room and areas to growth were. They put us in contact with professionals within the industry. You know, we are specialists in manufacturing rubber hoses. We're not specialists in manufacturing software. So they put us in contact with people who were specialists and could kind of guide us down that path on where we needed to go and wanted to go, which we wouldn't have done internally by ourselves.
Goodflex were a really good example of just what can be done with a good digital strategy going forward. And it was important for us to take them on that journey and in confidence, because whilst they were very advanced, they needed to understand what was available out in the market. They didn't know how to ask the right questions of what they needed within their MRP. And we were able to provide the confidence getting to that end solution.
Phil asked a question: should they maintain and manage the existing system, spending money and time rather than spending the time and money on managing the business, or should they opt for a fully packaged, high-end integrated solution? So this was the turning point. We gathered those requirements, what they are looking for in a system to support the business, and we documented it. So coming to systems, there are lots of systems, from low-end entry-level MRP systems, medium-level MRP systems, and high-level integrated MRP systems. So since Goodflex had complex requirements, we shortlisted the MRP systems for demos so that Goodflex can see and feel how the system can support the business.
Yes, the solution that we did find was such a perfect fit for us, and it was actually quite an easy sell to our board of directors because they could see the benefits and they could see how it's going to change and allow the business to grow further into the future. And I think without the help of Made Smarter and the rest of the team, we probably wouldn't have come to that realisation.
Once they understood how the systems work, they realised that the poor interface that generally exists between the likes of these MRP systems and Sage and QuickBooks and other sort of specialist accounting software, it sort of inhibits the business from getting a full end-to-end view of the business, for financials, drilling down into the operations and understanding the implications of what are happening and being able to report fully across the business. But it's when we bring it all together at the end and we bring that relative comparison through the evaluation, we bring the relative comparison of the costs associated with this, we look at the non-functional aspects of support and everything else that these different companies offer, and we look at the cultural fit as a company, as a potential strategic partner. So that discussion is the bit you get out of bed for. That is what's interesting, to try and help people through a rationale for why this would be the best solution for my business.